In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your game online so that other people can play it. You can also do this if you're going to do a challenge or something. It will be done pretty much the same way. So our game is complete, and now we want to put the game online. Click on Challenges. Again, go to Simulation Side. In Simulation Side, you can see down at the bottom there's something called Create Playable. That will create a playable game based on the program that you have, and you can play that game online. Or I should say other people can play it online. Right now, in order to play the game that I have, you would have to log into my site, and you'd have to log in as me in order to get in. And this creates a game that is playable by everybody. So we're going to click on Create Playable. Since this is an Angry Shapes game, you'll want to go down to Simulation Side. And the title is going to be, we'll call it Angry Shape 1. And in the description, we're going to say knock blocks off stand. Okay, just something like that. It doesn't really have to be much, but you do have to put something in there. So I'm going to click Create, and you're done. So you can click on Examples. From Examples, you can see AS1, and that is our game. Click on AS1, and there it is. Okay. So I'm going to go now to Profile, and you should do this every time you leave your computer. If you're working on a public computer, you want to make sure that you sign out. So we're going to click on Sign Out, and that will log me off so that no one else can come in and use my account on this computer. If you don't do that, people can just click on Sign In, and it'll take them right to your home page. So you want to make sure that you do sign out. I can click on, so here I'm not signed in. I can click on Examples. In Examples, you can see AS1, and that is your game. You can shoot, you can play the game, and there you go.